Hello dear students, hope you are doing well. In this video we are going to discuss about composition of functions. So basically what do you understand by composition of functions? It means the combination of two or more function to a new one or to form a new one. So let us see. For that, let us take a function f from a to b and another function g from b to c. Then the composition of f and g will be denoted by g of f, clear? And which is defined as a function g of f from a to c, clear? And this is given as g of f of x is equal to g of f of x for all x belong to the set A or the domain A. So here we can see that for the new function the domain is A and the codomain is C. So diagrammatically if we see, if this is our A, this is our B and this is C, where f is a function from A to B and g is a function from B to C. So if we take x here and operate the f here, so our new element here will be f of x, and for if we apply the g on f of x, we shall get the element g of f of x. So our g of f is a function from A to C, which where the domain is A and the codomain is C, clear? So using this composition of functions, we shall solve a few examples. So let us see an example from the exercise. Here the given function is from 134 to 125 and g is a function from 125 to 13. So clearly we can see that the codomain of f and the domain of g both are same. So since f is a function from 134 to 125 and g is a function from 125 to 13, so what will be our g of f? This function will be from 134 to 13. That means from here to here. So what we need to write? We need to write the g of f of each of these elements. So at first let us see what will be the g of f of 1. So by our definition we can write g of f as g of f of 1. What is f of 1? Here we can see for f of 1 we have 2. So this will be g of 2. And for g of 2 what we have? 3. Again, for g of f of 3 we have g of f of 3. So what is our f of 3? This is 5. That means for g of, we want to write here 5. Now what is g of 5? Our g of 5 is 1. Next, we need to find for g of f of 4. So this can be written as g of f of 4. Now, what is our f of 4? F of 4 is 1. And next we need to find what is g of 1? It is 3. Clear? So one thing to be noticed is that we have taken the elements from the domain, that is 134, 134, and we have got the elements 1 and 3. So both are in the codomain. Clear? So what is our new function then? G of f is equal to 1, the element from the domain 3, then 3 comma 1 and 4 comma 3. It is 4 and 3. So over. So hence we have find out what is g of f. Next, let us see another problem. So next we have another problem from the same exercise, that is 1.3. So this is for the question number 3. So here the function given is fx is equal to mod of x and g of x is equal to 5x minus 2. So what we need to find? We need to find f of g and g of f. So let us see. Let us find for f of g. So it will be f of g of x. So it will be f of g of x. Now what is g of x? It is given here mod of 5x minus 2. Clear? In place of g of x, I have replaced it by 5x minus 2 from the given definition. Now, what is our fx? Fx means mod x. So here what is our x? It is the whole mod of 5x minus 2. Now don't get confused here. Here since fx is mod x, so just think that this is our x. So just write a mod, and whatever is here, just write it here again. Clear? But mod of mod is the same thing, so we can write is equal to 5x minus 2. It's mod of 5x minus 2. So next let us find g of f of x. So what will be that? This means we can write g of f of x. So what is our f of x? Or f of x is mod x. This is mod x. Now, what is g of x? G of x means 5x minus 2. But what we have here? G of mod x. So in place of this x, replace it by mod x. So what we shall have? We shall have mod of 5, and in place of x, replace it by mod x. So we will have 5 mod x minus 2. And we cannot do anything else here, so just leave it like that. So thus we have find out f of g and g of f. Okay, so I hope you have understood what is composition of functions, and then we shall proceed to invertible functions. Okay, so thank you and stay safe.